Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you something that came in the mail while I was gone that I had ordered a little while ago and was waiting for it to show up. So I ordered 2022 power sheets from, I think it's called Cultivate What Matters. It's the name of the company. So it's their 10th anniversary, so their power sheets are coming in these really cute boxes, and there's a number of different ones to pick from. I picked this floral because we know I love the florals. I haven't actually opened any of this stuff yet, so I could do it on camera. Okay, so this is the front of it. It's got a coil. I'm not big on coils, but this is a new thing that I'm going to try. So this is supposed to help you with goal setting for the year and all kinds of stuff. So it's got a pocket and this little gold card where you can write your word of the year. I've never done a word of the year. If you've done a word of the year, comment down below. Does that work for you? How does that work exactly? So this is kind of your best year starts here. So order power sheets, did that, open them. We're doing that right now. Goal School, log into Goal School. Okay, so I guess these are maybe instructional videos. Complete your goal setting pages, complete your prep work, choose a wild card page, and fill out your first tending list. I don't really know what these things mean yet. But we'll figure it out. I've actually requested that someone make a Power Sheets for Dummies video because I think I had the gist of it and now I feel overwhelmed. Okay, so this is about their 10th anniversary and that's in gold. There's a little sticker sheet here, and this tells you about Cultivate and their thing, do more of what matters, let go of the rest. So now you've got goal ideas, about me. So if I remember correctly, basically you're supposed to go through, and it's a lot, you're basically supposed to go through all of these pages, and this is all prep work before January. That's a lot of stuff. Okay, I'm definitely overwhelmed now. Alright, so these dividers are kind of shiny. All good things start with one step. And this is for January. So this page, I guess you just write things down, important to-dos, things you're excited for, things that are on your mind, things you're hopeful. And then here's your month. And something about the new year, something about a tending list. I still don't know what that is, but we'll figure it out. Brainstorming your month, and here's that list they're talking about. So I guess, okay, monthly action items, weekly action items, daily items, and habits, and they've got like what looks like a habit tracker over here. Which of these areas this month's goal covers? So health and wellness, finances, vocal relationship, learning, friends, personal growth, family, recreation, and then month in review at the end of the month. So that's like it. Each month it seems that would be it. Okay, and then there was this. So every 4 months, so I guess 3 times in here, there's a like a refresh button, I guess, to reevaluate where you are so far with your goals and things. So it's kind of like more of that prep work type stuff. And then I guess you finally get, if I can ever turn the page. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, so now here you're in April, and then here's your month of pages like we already saw. Same stuff. And then May. Same stuff. June. July, and another refresh. August, September, October. I'm looking for, okay, so October is your last refresh for the year. Seem to be having quite a bit of difficulty with this. Okay, so here we are in December. And month in review. Hooray, you did it. High fives. And then your year in review. And then already hawking the 2023 power pages, which I may or may not have even designed so far. Okay, so see, this is why I don't like coils. That annoys me very much. Alright, so I figured I would give this a shot because there are a bunch of people who have had a lot of luck with these, with obtaining goals and, you know, being more focused on those things. And I try to do that all the time, and sometimes I get distracted even though I have 50 planners. So I figured we would give this a shot. So in true extra girl fashion, I ordered not just the power sheets, but I ordered, like, I don't know, it's like a starter kit, like it comes with other stuff. So we have, they give you this in the box too, it's like their little 10th anniversary for power sheets, and then your new year starts here. So that comes in the box. There was, alright, so this is a goal setting sticker book. Where do you open this? Aha, okay. So let's see. Well, no hole in the top, but it's got the ribbon. So we've got some functional stuff, some motivational stuff. That gold is a little much. Priorities. Oh, that's all hearts. Okay. Dots. More dots. Flags. Washi like strips. Flags. More flags. Some cute sayings, but again, that gold, that's a little much with the gold. And some cute flowers. So that's kind of, if I restrict the use of this to this book, it might be okay. Alright, and then these are, let's see. This is a weekly sticky note pad. I figured if I don't use it in this, I can like hole punch it and stick it in my regular planners. And then these are things called wild card page packs. The thing is, I don't really know what they're for. It looks to me like, oh, so it's a reminder. Jot down yearly goals as a helpful reminder. You can move around in your power sheets. Okay. So there's that. And then it comes with this to hold it in place on your coil. So it's this like plastic thing, and it's got a tab that says wild card, and I guess that's where it goes on the coil. I don't know how you attach your page to this, and there are no directions, so I guess we'll figure it out. Maybe they're sticky on the back. Alright, and then, you know, because they like to throw in everything but the kitchen sink, you also get some items which are really kind of not geared towards the power sheets so much as they're extra. So this is, because there are two different ones. So this is kind of like a happy planner pen pouch. So it's pretty. And it's got the strap on the back, so I guess you put this over your coil bound power sheets. Opens up. There's a piece of cardboard in here. Keep it flat. And you can just stick your pens or whatever in there. They also put these things in there, silica gel. So I know it's cute. It's like, it's got like a vinyl feel. It's not like, it's got a vinyl feel. I don't really know how else to describe that. And then you get this giant pouch. I don't understand how you're supposed to open. Oh, there we go. All right, this one's got a thing. Sorry about all the plastic crunching. I'm sure that's annoying. And so this is a much larger pouch with their little 2-leaf symbol, which is also on the poles for both of these pouches. And I got more cardboard and more Silva gel. And this fits the powersheets coil goal planner itself. So it fits in here. I don't know if it fits in here and if this fits in here with stuff in it or not. It might. I'll have to check that out as time goes on. And then the last thing that came with it was what they call tending tape. The rest of us will recognize this as washi tape. But that's really cute. I like it. So I'll find some use for this, if not in powersheets, because I don't know why you would decorate that, to be perfectly honest. Maybe, like I said, I need a for dummies video series on how to use this thing. But it's really cute. Flowers, leaves, the stripes, and then down here I think this is more leaves, this bottom one. So these are really cute. I like these. So that's like a more than one purpose item. The rest of these are all pretty much just for the powersheets, which is cool, you know. So let's see. So you're supposed to be able to fit your accessories into this small one, right? So let's see. Oh, and they go matchy-matchy on the things, by the way. So, except for these blue ones. Alright, so right off the bat, this does not fit in there. This does not fit in there. Nope. Okay. The little sticker book is definitely going to fit in here. This washi tape fits in here, but now you've got quite the bulge. And this little card they send you fits in here. That definitely does not fit in here. Okay, so that's a little weird. Alright, that's a little weird. So now you've got all these other things that don't fit in there. And you've got the box. So let's see. Is it okay to pick up coil planners by their coils? I don't even really know if you'd call this a planner. But maybe it is. Okay. Alright, so this definitely, it fits in there just fine and has room to spare. And let's see. Alright, and the rest of this fits in there too. So really, you could probably take the stuff out of there. Maybe not the washi, although it seems like it could maybe fit over here. And that would all fit in this. So at least it's all in one place. That's helpful. But I do think the box is cute, and since I haven't actually started using this yet, I do want to leave it in the box until I figure out how it works, because there's 2 months, a little less, left until 2022, which is still amazing to me, because it seems like it was, you know, just became 2021. So this year's flying, that's for sure. So that's it for the powersheets. It's not much of a review. It's more of like a flip through and here's what I got kind of deal. They still have some for sale, so if this is something that interests you, you could go check it out. I do not have an affiliate link or a code or anything like that. I think if you go to Plan with Elise, any of her videos, she might have a link and a code, or at the very least a link. I don't know if she has a code or not. But that's it for this. So if you guys enjoyed the video, share it with a couple of friends, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.